In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you exactly why you should be leveraging AI tools for content generation. Now, you don't need to use Journalist AI. Full disclosure, this is my tool. But let me tell you why you should be using at least Chatgpt, right? Think of this as a ladder to success, right? There are several steps to achieve what we call success here, and let's call success money. Because at the end of the day, if you're wanting to rank articles on Google to drive SEO traffic to your site, it's because you're selling them either a service or a product, right? So at the end of the day, it's all about the money. Now, previously, before ChatGPT, you had to come up with, or actually do some keyword research, then actually write the content, proofread it, then you would have to add images to the content. Actually, before that, figure out where to add the images, where to find the images to add to the content, save them to your computer, add them. Same thing for videos if you want to include videos in the articles. Then read through the article and find the best places to add internal links, then add external links as well, right? Linking out to authoritative sources. And also, of course, creating a table of contents, all this, it takes a ton of time, right? You used to do this all manually. Now, with ChatGPT, you're kind of starting from up here because essentially generates the content for you. You can get a brief and then change some things around, then add the images yourself, add the videos, add the links, all this. So you start from up here. Now, leveraging Journalist AI, I'm going to show you why in just a second here. You skip all of this, right? You skip all this up here. Not only because the content it generates, again, I'm going to show you in just a second what the content is, because not only because the content, because it gets you a featured image, gives you a table of contents, gives you proper content, gives you in-article images, gives you in-article videos, gives you internal links, external links, calls to action, tables, bullets, all this with one click, but also because with one click, you can publish this to your WordPress site, Shopify store, blog, Webflow, whatever it is, right? So you skip the line. Now, AI is great, ChatGPT is great because you don't have to do all these steps, you start from up here, but Journalist AI is 10 times better. And let me show you why that is. Let me just go here to my dashboard and show you the type of content that we're able to produce, right? So if you just go here, this one, for example, these were 5 articles I generated for this gardening e-commerce store, right? And there's a featured image, right? 10 tips for starting a garden as a newbie, right? Table of contents, interactive, which is always good. Then the content here, properly structured with internal links, right? In-article images, in-article videos relevant to what this content is about. This isn't just some random video, right? This video is relevant to what the context here is, right? In-article images, internal links, external links, right? Tables when necessary, bullets when necessary, and a call to action to, in this case, this website that sells gardening supplies, right? All this done through AI, right? So this is the power, right? If we were to do the ladder again, right? We'd be starting from up here because we generate the images for you, we get the videos for you, we do the internal links for you, external links for you, calls to action, we do all that for you, right? All this generated with AI, right? And I can skim through all this and I can post them to my integration. In this case, my integration is my WordPress site, but if I wanted to, I could post these to WordPress, Shopify. If you have an e-commerce store, you can essentially automate the blog part of it. So if you're selling gardening supplies like these guys, this is their this is their shop right here, right? They have the shop with all the products, but then they have the blog here, which essentially has a title, starting description, images, table of contents, internal links, external links, and of course down here should have a call to action to whatever product this is, right? I think they sell seeds. So yeah, all this automated for you, right? And because Journalist AI also takes care of the internal links, right? All these articles will interlink between each other in a way that makes sense, of course, right? So moving on to Goes, we got Wix, Webflow, Blogger, Zapier. So the possibilities with Zapier are endless. And if you're more advanced, we also can connect with your external API. Now, this is all great, right? But oftentimes content produced with these tools is a bit generic. Now, the way we've combated that is with brands. I won't dive too deep into this, but essentially you can connect journalists to your brand. Your brand, of course, has assets associated with it, assets being your social media platforms, your website, your text documents, audio documents, video documents, whatever it is, right? We take all these assets from your brand and we get Journalist AI to learn as much as it possibly can about your brand. And comes a point where Journalist AI knows as much as you do as the founder or CEO of your brand and can produce brand-tailored content, right? The content that I just showed you, right? Brand-tailored in your brand's voice, with your brand's mannerisms, with your brand's images, linking out to your brand's services or products, all on autopilot. And speaking of autopilot, you can just go here to Autoblogs. And I won't dive too deep into this, but essentially what it does is you can post content automatically every single day, week, month, or hour to one of your integrations, right? The integration could be your WordPress, Shopify, Webflow site, whatever it is. So essentially you're connecting Journalist AI, right? You're connecting it with your website. Again, the site could be Shopify, WordPress, whatever. And Journalist AI is generating, but also at the same time, it is publishing content, in this case, 5 posts every single day. So every single day it's going to post, these are individual posts on your site. Every single day is going to post 5 posts. And if we expand on these, right, expand on these posts, every single one of these posts is going to have a featured image, table of contents, proper structure here, in-article images, in-article videos, internal links, external links, tables, bullets, calls to action, all this that I just showed you before, tailored to your brand, right, on autopilot, 5 articles every single day. And of course, these will interlink between each other in a way that makes sense. They will outbound link, have calls to action to your products, like I said. Amazing, right? We can even set this up for 300 articles every single week if you'd like. Like the most common is 5 every single week, but you can set this up however you like. So that's the power of Journalist AI, right? That's the power of AI as a whole, right? But Chatgpt and all these other tools are limited. Journalist AI helps you with automation, right? Connects with your blog on autopilot and allows you to produce brand-tailored content with links, images, videos, all this 100% on autopilot. Plus, you can produce content in over 150 different languages, which is insane. If you're targeting international markets, Portuguese, Spanish, Turkish, Greek, whatever, if you're targeting the international markets, you can do this as well with a journalist, right? And it's not just some Google Translate, not good translation, right? We take into account the context of the phrase and the brand and all that. So it's proper translation. But yeah, I'll leave a link for this in the description. It's tryjournalist.com. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And yeah, if you like it, let me know. If you don't, let me know as well. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.